I think when people think of the native forest, they often envision something about tranquility or peace, most of all, maybe the quiet. And yet, there couldn't be anything further from the truth, because the native forest is so loud. It is so beautifully loud. The songs of the birds are near cacophonous levels, and the wind in the trees and on the lava rocks acts as this incredible symphony. The more we think of forests, not just this native forest, but all native forests, as these quiet, dead places, the less we can realize how much they actually have to tell us if we just stopped and listened. And honestly, I think we could all benefit from listening a little bit more to the forests, because they certainly have a lot to teach us.